Take two.
What you're about to see is a 1963 Chevrolet Stepside bed truck that a YouTube subscriber to my channel, Primer is Best, sent me pictures of. He doesn't have the truck in his possession yet. The owner of the truck that he bought the truck from is going to deliver it to him. So this is what he wrote, and I'm going to read it to you so you'll get a kind of like a picture in your head of what the YouTube subscriber's goal is for the truck. Okay, my main goal is to get it running where I can drive it on the road. I kind of like the patina look, so I might keep some of that but add some clear coat for paint protection. I also might do a car wrap the same color it was supposed to be. The color of the paint for the truck is really expensive due to the pigments. I'd like to use the truck as an everyday vehicle. It's going to be parked at my grandparents' farm while I work on it. Definitely going to replace the bench seat and maybe the steering wheel due to the big cracks in the steering wheel. Gas pedal is in the middle of the bench seat. I plan on making a walk around video of the truck when it gets to the farm. After that, I'll do a video of it running when I work on it. So congratulations to him for purchasing that 63 Chevy Stepside bed truck. And if you'd like to do the same thing, send me a video. PIB'S subscriber rides, and I have PIB'S swap and shop too. So thanks again for the pictures. I hope y'all will enjoy it. Mrs. PIB have put all this together, and I think the truck has a lot of potential. I bought them a lot worse than this. So thanks for watching. Enjoy the pictures. Catch you in the next video.